I'm Chef Junior from O-Ku Charleston. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple yet tasty dish, Shrimp Nigiri. It's perfect for those who are new to sushi because it's completely cooked. So after blanching and shucking the shrimp in ice water, and this is your product. Leaving it on a skewer like this allows the shrimp to be straight, and now you just have to start peeling from the head. You can do one by one. You can peel the tail off if you like. I like to leave them on for presentation, so I peel it all the way to the last shell. Peel it all the way. Alright, and there you have it. Tail off for presentation. You hold it all together like that, quick twist, and pull. Keeping the shrimp together intact. Alright, so the next step is to remove the vein. So belly side up, to put the knife in between my finger like that, just until you can reveal the vein. Use ice water and kind of get it out. Wash it out. The paper towel, dry out the shrimp. So this rice has been cooked for 20 minutes. Wash 3 times, cook for 20 minutes, rest for 20 minutes after adding vinegar. You have to add vinegar while it's hot too, so the rice can absorb all the salt and the vinegar and make it sticky. The next step is to make the nigiri. So you put it on your hand like this, right in the middle. In this case, make a ball of rice about half the size of the shrimp. So at home, if you use your hand, it'll be very sticky. So if you have a little bit of glove, a little bit of water, it will help with the stickiness, right? So put a shrimp right in the middle of your hand. A little bit of wasabi. Now place that ball right in the middle. Thumb on top like that. So now you're gonna try to make a rectangle with these 2 fingers. Use those same 2 fingers, shape the size of the shrimp down a little bit. Like that. Flip it over, do it one more time, these 2 fingers. Here at O-Ku, we like to serve it with a brush of soy sauce reduction, just like that. There you have it, shrimp nigiri.